Hi, today we're going to do some formatting in Google Docs. So go to Google Classroom and you'll see your assignment. Click into the assignment and you'll find these two documents. Mine looks different than yours because I have the teacher view, but you need to click this to get the other ones. You're going to open your Google Docs and that's what you're going to edit, and the driverless car PDF is the instructions, and I'll also give you that in a paper. So you can do it like this, or you can follow along with this video or read the paper, either one. Okay, so we've already done these two things, and we're going to go down here. It says creating and editing the title. Center the title. Google just got really serious about driverless cars. So I'm going to select or highlight that, and I'm going to center it. And I can't see my center here, and so if I want to use the button instead of the shortcut, I'm going to find it right there. Okay, then it says bold the title. Google just got really serious about driverless cars. I can use this button, or I can use Control B for the shortcut. Then it says style the title, and the words are still highlighted. And then it says choose title from the drop-down menu. And then when we do this, the title will end up being on 2 lines. Right there, or right here, is where it says normal text. Those are the styles. So go right here and click title, and it went out on 2 lines, so we know that it's right. Now, or down here it says font for author's name. It is green. It's green right now. Use Arial font, so I'm going to click that and make it Arial. Oh, it already is Arial. And make it size 12, and it already is size 12. Make it italics, and then make it black. So, where's my black button? My text. Oh, here it is. So then we're just going to make it black. Okay, I got that done. Now I'm going to go on down to the next thing. It says right here, changing the font. So now we got to change the font for the rest of it. Select or highlight the first paragraph. If I click 3 times inside the paragraph, it should select all of it. Whoops. There you go. All right, and it says once the paragraph is selected, change the font from Comic Sans 11 to Arial size 12. So it's Comic Sans 11, Arial 12. Okay, and it says do the same for the second and third paragraphs. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to make it Arial and size 12. Then I'm going to come to this one, 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to make it Arial and size 12. Okay, and you can choose to do this down here if you want to. It does not matter. And I guess I want mine all to look the same, so I'll do that. Okay, now it says changing the line spacing. Click anywhere inside the first paragraph. So we're going to click inside the first paragraph. This line spacing from custom 1.6 to single. Now how do we do that? I'm going to have you use this menu. So we're going to go to Insert, and we're going to go on down to, where is it? We're not going to go to Insert, we're going to go to, where is it? Oh, does it say, oh, Format. It says Format. I should have read the directions. Format, and I wrote the directions. Go down to line spacing, and right now it's on custom 1.6, make it single. Okay, and now it says do it for the second and third paragraph. I'm going to click inside there. This time I'll be better. I'll go right up here to line spacing, and I'll change it to single. Then I'll show you a different way to do it. If you click inside the next paragraph, you can go up to this button, and it also will do it for you. Okay, you know what? I'm going to do it for the last one too. Make it single for the link. Okay, now use bold. Find the word Google and bold it every time you read it. Okay, well, the first word is Google. And we're going to keep reading through till we find another word. Google. Okay, and you can do the rest of them. I'm just going to do these two. Okay, or maybe there are only two. You've got to read through it. Okay, then it says use highlight. Go to the menu bar and click on the underlined A. Choose highlight. So here's the underlined A, and it says don't choose text. You want to choose highlight. You can choose any color you want. And then you're going to highlight the word apple. So I'm going to see if I can find the word apple in here. And actually highlight all of them that are apple. Highlight and blue. And if you see any others, make sure you do those. Okay, and now we're going to activate the hyperlink. Let me move this over. Okay, activate the hyperlink. I use this shortcut all the time. You're going to select or highlight this and do a Control K, and it will it'll make it active. That works in emails and everything. Now it says draw a line under the author's name. Okay, so we did this at the beginning of the year, and some of us had trouble with it. It says go to the Insert menu and go to Drawing. Find the line tool next to the arrow. So there's the line tool. Draw a line, any color. That's a pretty good line. You know, but I'm going to change my color because I want it to be something besides black. Blue is my favorite color. And then I'm going to click Save and Close. Oh no, it ended up in the wrong place. How did that happen? So now I'm going to select it and hit delete on my key. And I forgot to read the very first one. It said put the cursor in the space below the author's name. So go right over here, underneath the author's name. Then we're going up to Insert and Draw. Here's the line tool. Draw the line. Make it a color, make it blue still, save and close. There's the line, okay? Now, we're going to change the margins and orientation. So, I'm going up to the File menu and go on down to Page Setup. We're going to change all the margins to 1.5. I don't know why that says margins 10. Change all of them to 1.5. That's a mistake in my notes, but all you craft class people, I found it, so I found my mistake. Now it says change the orientation from portrait to landscape. Okay, so that was portrait, now it's landscape. Click OK, and we should be done. Let me take a look at it. Looks pretty good. Now you're going to not click share, but there'll be like some kind of turn in button here. Turn it in, and you're all done. You formatted. Google just got really serious about driverless cars.